We get a healthy batch of U.S. economic data today, though the key standout on the calendar is the European Central Bank decision. Heading into the decision, the narrow consensus call is for the ECB to leave interest rates unchanged. This will be the first time the central bank will leave things as is since early 2022. The ECB will also publish its quarterly staff projections, and we will hear from ECB President Lagarde in the post-decision presser. The trouble for the ECB is that leaving rates on hold isn't going to be all that comfortable, with core inflation remaining quite sticky. And so while the consensus is for a rate hold, as stated earlier, it's a very narrow consensus, with plenty of officials seen leaning the other way towards another rate hike. Meanwhile, a Reuters report from earlier in the week turned heads after saying the ECB expected inflation in the 20-nation Eurozone to remain above 3% next year, which has further bolstered the case for a 10th consecutive interest rate increase today. But against the backdrop of growing concerns over the growth outlook, raising rates further poses concern that could very well keep the central bank from pulling the trigger. Ultimately, we wouldn't be surprised with any outcome, though a pause with a hawkish undertone and willingness to consider additional rate hikes could be the most conservative play. As far as price action goes, anything leaning more hawkish will inspire fresh euro upside. On the other hand, anything leaning more dovish will expose the euro to deeper setbacks. Key euro dollar levels to watch ahead of the event risk come in at 107.70 above and 106.85 below. That's all for now.